If you're interested in astronomy or stargazing, then you're going to need yourself a great telescope. A telescope can provide so much more detail than the naked eye alone. You wouldn't imagine just how many planets, stars, and galaxies you can see with the right telescope. Even in the darkest of night, you can even see the Orion Nebula and the Andromeda Galaxy. Telescopes are perfect for beginners, kids, astro-imagers, professionals, and amateur astronomers. There are such a wide variety of different telescopes on the market today. So how do you choose the best one for you? Well, to find out some of the standards and special features of the top telescopes out there, stay tuned as we've brought you a list of our 5 best. Whether you need the best of the best or just the most affordable option, we'll relay all of these products to you. If you want to find the best prices and more information about the products mentioned in our videos, you can always check the links in the description box below. And now let's begin. At number 1 is the Sibony 60mm Astronomical Refractor Telescope 420 by 16mm. This telescope is great for kids, beginners, entry-level, and amateur astronomers. It's best recommended for astronomical observations. What a great way to get your kids interested in astronomy by helping them see the moon, the sky, and the stars. The adjustable tripod is perfect for kids of any age. It offers 3 different heights. The tripod can go from 450mm to 1035mm, which you can change over the years depending on your child's height. Sibony offers an erecting eyepiece to deliver erecting images which you can't see in standard telescopes. The normal ones give inverted images which are not as convenient for kids or beginners. It's easy to set up and you can do it in a matter of minutes. Set up the tripod and attach the accessory tray bracket on it. Carefully attach the telescope tube on the tripod mount, insert the eyepiece, finder scope, and the erecting eyepiece. Finally, you're ready to go. Just adjust the focus knob to get a clear view of your image. Its finder scope has 5x20 low power magnification, so kids can easily locate objects in the telescope. The Rubbermaid focus wheel is intentionally crafted to be big in size and easy to adjust for everyone's convenience. At number 2, we have the Celestron 11069 NextStar 8 SE Computerized Telescope. It's ideal for camping trips, stargazing nights, and other excursions. Its Schmidt-Cassegrain optical design is a perfect item for astronomical observers. Conveniently carry it wherever you go thanks to its compact, portable design. The single fork arm mount and steel-made tripod are easy to transport. It's also supported with an automated go-to mount that's backed up with a database and consists of more than 40,000 galaxies, star clusters, solar system objects, stars, and a whole lot more. With this telescope, you'll be able to track and locate solar objects automatically. This telescope is recommended by promising astro-imagers as well. The built-in wedge is intended for long exposures. By using the built-in wedge, align the NextStar through an adapter and connect to your DSLR camera and capture those perfect celestial objects. It also works with any astronomical camera. Aligning your telescope will be easy thanks to its Sky Align. With the use of your eyepiece, center your focus on 3 bright objects and press the Align button to take a clear view. The 8-inch aperture is one of the best features that will allow you to see even geographic features of an object. This telescope is offered at an affordable price and delivers high-quality service. There go the first 2 telescopes on our list, but keep watching because we have more to come. Before we proceed, we'd like to take the opportunity to ask you to join our growing community. Kindly subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click the bell icon so you'll get notified of our next video. And now back to our list. At number 3, we have the Meade Instruments 10-inch LX90 ACF Advanced Coma-Free Telescope. It features the advanced Coma-Free design, which delivers flatter images that every professional observatory, astrophotographer, and even amateur astronomer will surely love. This unique system that Meade telescope yields eliminate the possible risks of astigmatism. It has 10 inches in diameter focal length. The ultra-high transmission coatings intend to provide the maximum contrast and brightness of an image. Enjoy your experience with sightings using the ME LX90, a computer system that can show you more than 30,000 guided tours, multiple libraries, the ME Smart Drive, and high-precision pointing capability. It's also supported by a Sony GPS receiver, making it easier for the user to precisely align the telescope to a particular star. You may update the LX90 by simply downloading the update from me.com, and it's all free. The LX90 boasts high-grade double fork mount. You can adjust the fast slew speed ranging from 1 to 7 degrees per second. This photographic capability is adjustable from 0.01 times to 1 time. The electronics, including the mount of the telescope, are powered by 8 C-cell batteries, which you can use for 60 hours at a time. Without power, you can adjust the mechanical locks of the mount, to which you can find from both axes. The package includes an adjustable tripod, ME's LX90 with Suite Astronomer Edition software, an 8x50 viewfinder, 1 1/4 inch diagonal prism, and an eyepiece. We're always interested to know what you think, so please don't hesitate to write down your comments and suggestions below. If there's another product out there you'd like to see us do a review on, simply leave your suggestions below and our reviewers will get to work to give you the best review possible. And now let's check out our final 2 telescopes. At number 4, we have the Orion 10012 Skyscanner 100mm tabletop reflector telescope. This telescope is perfect for those dark skies. It has the ideal reflector for entry-level or beginners, bearing with 100mm of parabolic primary mirror optics. Compared to other telescopes meant for beginners, this one has no plastic lenses. It features 400mm focal length, which will allow you to enjoy your stargazing nights. Experience it with your family and friends and witness the amazing miracles brought by the night sky. Through this reflector telescope, you'll be able to study the moon's craters, high mountains, and lunar seas in perfect detail. Take a closer look at Saturn, Mars, and Jupiter with this amazing telescope. Not only that, you can study and be stunned with cloudy nebulas, star clusters, and galaxies with the Orion Skyscanner. The package includes 2 various sets of 1 1/4 inch eyepieces for magnification. You can achieve 20 times more power of magnification with the 20mm eyepiece. The 10mm eyepiece is for 40 times magnification. The Orion Easy Finder 2 is a device that lets you easily aim to your desired object. After you perfectly aim your target, the view will be displayed on the unit's field. Its compact design provides you convenience while taking a peek at the sky. Simply place it on the table and start your adventure above. At number 5 is the Celestron 31045 Astromaster 130 EQ Reflector Telescope. This reflector telescope is ideal for individuals who are into terrestrial and celestial. Its dual-purpose telescope will let you explore and enjoy. It features its star pointer that allows you to get a clear, bright image of objects. It boasts its EQ mount, which will help you track objects from simply turning the knobs. With the movement of celestial bodies according to the Earth's movement, you won't be left behind to see everything. The portability of this telescope makes it a grab-and-go item. This telescope is perfect for camping, backyard observations, and outdoor night parties. Moons and planets are not the only objects you can see with the Celestron, but you can also see star clusters, the Orion Nebula, the Andromeda Galaxy, and a whole lot more. The rugged tripod steel tube legs stand at 1 1/4 inches. The telescope is extremely easy to use. No setup or software installation required. Its package includes items for better viewing, such as 2 sets of eyepieces, one 20mm and one 10mm. You'll also receive a Starry Night astronomy software for free and the Star Pointer Finder Scope. And there you have it, the top 5 telescopes available. Whichever one you choose based on your standards, we hope that you found our list to be helpful in purchasing your next telescope for those camping trips and backyard observations. If you found the one you want, then click the link in the description box below to catch it at its best offer. Let us know if there's a product you have in mind that you'd like to see in our next video. Write your comments and suggestions and we'll get to work to give you the best review possible. Stay up to date with our latest happenings by tapping the bell icon, and to become part of our growing community, simply subscribe to our channel. You'll also get the chance to see more of our great review videos. That's all for today. Thank you for watching us here at the ReviewTube channel.